The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
You go to A, you strum twice, A, then you go to D, up, down, down. So it's down, down in A, up, down, down in D. And then you go back to A and you play the full strum. Down, down, up, down, down. And then you're gonna do the same but ending up in E instead of A. So you're gonna have something like this. A, D, 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 E, 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 E. When you put both together, you have this. A, D, 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 A, D, 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 E, 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 E. And then the second part goes like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So D, D, E, 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 A, D, 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 E, 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 E,
How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? How many seas must a wild dove sail before she can sleep in the sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? How many roads must a wild dove sail before she can sleep in the sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Wake up this morning